Mackinac Island greets you with the hustle and bustle of downtown, but escape is just minutes away among the natural beauty of Mackinac Island State Park. Michigan's first state park is the site of fantastic natural formations, like Arch Rock, rising nearly 150 feet above the waters of Lake Huron, and Sugarloaf, towering over the forest floor. Over 70 miles of trails and roads wind across Mackinac Island, leading hikers, bikers, and horseback riders through forests of white pine, birch, cedar, and sugar maple trees. Michigan's only highway without motorized traffic circles Mackinac Island and is a favorite route for bicyclists. Mackinac Island State Park is open year-round and is free to visitors.